So guys, mag-order tayo ngayon ng aming anniversary. Ito po yung Pandora. Yun naman po dito sa Australia yan, o any part of Western World. Ito yung gusto ko, yung Pandora Moments Neck Tea Bar. Click po natin yan. Sa online po tayo nag-order mga kababayan. Sana ba yun? Yun guys, nawala ito. Yan po siya. Okay. At balik tayo sa isa. Maganda po, diba? Yan ang Pandora Stick Moments Tea Bar Snake Chain Bracelets. It's $99. And we have here, I had another one. This one, Pink Dave DC Flower Charm. And since it's coming, what is this? Coming February 14, they have a promo sale. Like you buy two and get the third one for free. Limited time only. I think that was since 4th of February till 14th of February only this year. So yeah, I've been following it since start, and that's the number 2 I order. What's happening now? And I'm gonna go there. That's it. It's a pink daisy flower charm. It's a very nice color. I think it's a rose gold, I do believe, and I heard a lot of beautiful stars here. Really good feedbacks about this, and people really happy for that. So yeah, I get that. It's $119, that one. And the last one, well, that's number 2, 1 and 2 now. It's number 2, this is number 3 now. It's our last order is sparkling snowflake fade, and they have a silver color which is $89. It's nice and sparkling, but of course I always love the rose gold. Same thing with the iPhone, I choose the rose gold as well. So it's really beautiful, and look at the reviews from people. It's certified, and a lot of feedbacks so that I see. Beautiful feedbacks, no discoloring, which is really cool, because some of the Pandora jewelry you have to really careful what you buy, but most of them is pretty good, guys. They're pretty good. And Becky naman may ma-sponsor diyan, no? We're accepting sponsor product, guys, and I review it to you. If you would like us to review, feel free to email us and contact us as well. I'm happy to have a business with you guys. Alright, Pandora people in Australia, that's my number 3 order, and we click here, and what is this? We click click your bag. Yeah, that's all here. One of the snake Pandora Moments Hearty Bar Snake Chain. 89. I let you know the review when this one arrived on me. And number 2, Pompeii Daisy Charm. And look at that. Supposed to be it's $99, but since they have a really nice and promo code, so they sell that. Actually, this is my first time ever that I want to try the Pandora. So there you go, guys. That's $99, but it's free now because buy 2 and you get 3rd for free. So there you go. I'm gonna blah blah blah. I really like this the most as well, but I'm gonna get it later on in my birthday. We'll see. It's a constellation and one of them are stars, but I like this as well. But $69. Hey guys, one at a time. Alright, this is really our anniversary, and we would like to purchase that. And my husband said, yeah, go ahead, let's go, it's our anniversary, it's really good remembrance. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and this time I'm gonna pay all of this. And obviously when I arrive, they said either 1 week or 15 days. I'll see how long gonna arrive on us, and I'm going to pay that now, and I'll reviews to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Pretty cool if you subscribe us and click that bill on the top, and leave us a comment down below. We're happy to hear your comments. Thank you so much, guys. It's Angelah name here. Thank you once again for watching. Bye bye for now.